bacteria, so microbiota is the community of the bacteria, needs zinc, so they have a requirement. Bacteria need zinc for growth and also for virulence factors. So it's an essential trace element for bacteria. But interestingly, the zinc inside bacterial cells must be regulated. So we know that too much zinc can be toxic, but it's interesting, the toxicity is not the same for all types of bacteria, so there are huge differences between the different bacterial species. And when you go through different publications, you can learn, okay, there is an impact on positive bacteria. So some studies described you get less of lactobacilli or lactic acid bacteria when you use pharmacological levels of zinc oxide. You may reduce yeast. Some have described that gram-negative bacteria, Enterobacteriaceae, are less sensitive. Very interesting also one study showing that the E. coli populations were more stable, more diverse, which is quite relevant, I think, because having a more diverse population with E. coli may prevent piglets from diarrhea by impairing the growth of pathogens here. And also interesting is that the translocation of bacteria in lymph nodes was reduced. Yeah, and it's not just the composition of the microbiota in the gut, it's also the metabolic activity. So in this study, which was published by Ole Heuberg years ago, it's very interesting. They measured in this study ATP as a marker of bacterial activity, metabolism in the gut, and they had different treatments with low or with high zinc oxide. And to make it short, and I think you can see it here with high levels of zinc oxide, pharmacological levels, you get much lower ATP levels in the intestine compared to pigs which were fed low levels or normal levels, let's say 100 ppm of zinc in their diet. So that means it's not just the composition, it's also the metabolic activity that is affected.